Working as volunteer with refugee rights, it's give opportunity to help these people.
What motivates me and gets me up in the morning is that need to make a difference.
Right now you're logged on to Hold Up Now TV.
There's a lot going on. It's a lot of responsibility.
Most of our science takes 10 years to get into jet engines, so it's really exciting to see something turn into a product that the public can buy. It took a lot of work to get to this stage.
There was a time when hip-hop was more representative of the human condition.
Downside has formed me and sustained me.
I think my greatest achievement really is in part helping people here going through the transition and seeing them back into the community and finding employment. And at the end of the day, I think we save lives.